Could it be that most of the mental health issues most Africans experience could be Agwu? Because at this rate, it just must be. Let me show you what I mean. To Igbo History TV, where I copied this post from, because of course in the course of my research I always give it to whomever I tend to get it from. Agwu is an ummah that often influences the lifestyle of those whom possess it. In the ancient Igbo days, when a child is born, his parents, he or she's parents, take the child before the priest or priestess to find out their destiny. But these days, due to Western civilization and all that comes with it, religion and the likes, right? Due to Western civilization, this act is now frowned upon by most Igbos, who considers it barbaric. Most children are born possessed by the Agwu spirit. The Agwu spirit reveals the power of divination to those who possess it. People possessed by Agwu are often very creative. Most of them are dibias and ezinwine, spiritualists, musicians, medicine men and women, etc. The possessed ones are often expected to answer the call of the Ummah. Otherwise, they would have to face various challenges. For instance, a wealthy businessman may start doing very poorly in his business simply because he is yet to acknowledge his Agwu and work towards it. In some cases, the Agwu spirit causes confusion and frustration upon his chosen ones. Some of them often roam around until they are able to realize and travel home for the rituals. Once such persons visits the Dibia Afa, and his or her Agwu is revealed, and he accepts to work towards it, he or she becomes whole again and even more prosperous than they were. This is why some people end up being one thing in the city and a Dibia or Ezinwine in the village. Have you discovered your Agwu? Okay, enough said. At this point, I am beginning to think, are you sure that many of the troubles I have been going through has not been as a result of my own Agwu? Because, like, from the points that have been stated here, I'm quite creative. Like, the creativity in me surges through sometimes that I marvel at myself. For real, it surges. Like, sometimes I am scared of my own self at the level of creativity I possess. Are you sure I would not really go and do an Alpha to really know the Agwu that I carry and possess? I think I should. You too should go and do that. Inquire, discover, identify that which you have been called for and called to do, and just align yourself and do what is needed. It's better for all of us, and that way we would all live peaceably, live happily, live wealthily, and unleash our wealth wherever they are deposited or hiding. May the peace be with you.